If hard work made people rich, construction workers would be millionaires. If long hours created wealth, single mothers working 2 jobs would be financially free. But they are not. So what's missing? We were told a simple formula: work hard, stay loyal, be patient, and one day you will make it. But what if the carrot keeps moving? What if hard work was never the full formula? Stay with me, because this might change how you see money forever. Since childhood, we hear one message: study hard, work hard. Success comes from effort, and effort is good. Hard work is honorable. But here's the hidden truth. Hard work makes you valuable. It does not automatically make you wealthy. Let me explain like you're 5. Imagine you have a lemonade stand. If you sell lemonade all day yourself, you make money only when you stand there. If you go home, money stops. That's hard work. Now imagine you teach 3 friends to sell for you, and you still earn from every cup. That's leverage. See the difference? One depends on time. The other builds a system. Most people sell time. 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, 40 years. The problem? Time is limited. You cannot work 200 hours a week. You cannot clone yourself. So income stays capped. Meanwhile, business owners build systems. Investors buy assets. Creators build audiences. Their money does not depend only on effort. It depends on ownership. Workers have one income stream. Owners build pipelines. And here's the conflict nobody talks about. The harder you work in the wrong system, the more trapped you become. Because your lifestyle grows, your bills grow, your fear grows. Now quitting feels impossible. Hard work gave you comfort, but not freedom. Here's the turning point. Hard work is not the enemy. Working hard on the wrong thing is. Instead of asking, "How can I work more?" ask, "How can this work without me?" That's the shift. Learn skills, but also build assets. Save money, but also invest money. Work your job, but build something on the side. Because wealth grows like a tree, not like over time. Trees take time, but once they grow, they give shade for years. Hard work builds strength, but ownership builds wealth. If your income only grows when your hours grow, you're not building freedom. You're renting your life. Start small. Learn about assets. Build skills that scale. Think beyond salary. Hard work is the starting line, not the finish line. If this changed how you see money, subscribe to my channel for more simple breakdowns of how wealth really works.